Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.